For years, interacting with artificial intelligence has required a manual homework mode. You prompt a chatbot, receive text or code, and then you are responsible for the labor of copying, pasting, and deploying that output across your own applications. Openworker is designed to resolve this friction. Instead of just generating text in a browser, it resides on your desktop and navigates your local files and terminal environments to produce a tangible deliverable. To begin the deployment, you will need an Apple Silicon or Windows x64 machine. For the reasoning engine, you can use a Cloud API key or a local instance of a Llama. Our goal today is to configure this system so your personal desktop functions as a self-executing AI ecosystem. Step 1 is retrieving the installer. Navigate to the official release feed and download the package for your operating system, either the .dmg for macOS or the .exe for Windows. Windows users will likely encounter this blue SmartScreen warning. Because these early beta builds are not yet officially code-signed, the operating system flags the file to prevent an unauthorized launch. To proceed, click More Info to reveal the hidden Run Anyway button. Clicking this allows the local installation to continue onto your machine. You have successfully installed the software when the native Tori desktop shell launches on your screen. By bypassing this initial operating system block, you have established the environment needed to run the local Python agent server. Now we must choose an intelligence engine. Openworker uses a library called AISuite, which allows you to swap your underlying AI model through a single settings menu. If you want to use a cloud provider, paste your active API key into the Hosted API section. There is a specific privacy trade-off here. When you use a hosted provider, your local file context and prompt data must leave your machine to be processed by a third-party server. For environments with strict data compliance, you can select the Ollama routing profile instead. This routes the reasoning tasks to a local model running on your own hardware, which ensures that no data is transmitted externally. Understanding this choice allows you to balance the high reasoning speed of the cloud against the data control of a local setup. With the engine ready, provide the agent with an outcome-based prompt. For example, prepare a renewal brief for the Northwind account. The agent immediately begins structuring a multi-step execution plan to reach that specific goal. Entering the ingestion phase, the agent searches local directories to gather context, which illuminates the relevant data it needs to proceed. This capacity to autonomously find and synthesize scattered local data enables the system to execute complex workflows directly within your file system. While the agent can read data autonomously, it is strictly barred from writing files or sending communications without your permission. When the agent is ready to take a consequential action, the loop pauses and triggers this human-in-the-loop approval gate. Methodical. At this stage, you must inspect the exact payload or script the AI intends to execute on your operating system. Be aware of alert fatigue. If you are managing multiple tasks, it is easy to begin clicking Approve without verifying the content. Once you have vetted the action, click Approve to let the agent complete the step. This manual friction point serves as the primary safeguard against the agent executing an incorrect or destructive command on your hard drive. When the task is finished, the agent produces the final file directly onto your local storage. Unlike a standard chat interface that gives you advice, the agent has delivered a usable, formatted document. You can now extend this utility by configuring recurring background tasks or connecting the agent to shared Slack channels. Successfully deploying Openworker establishes a workflow built on localized, autonomous productivity.